care what I use. It's my day off.
People are trying to enjoy their meals, and all they can hear is you two going on about bloody pesto. Who cares? No. Who cares? Who actually cares? I do not care. No one in this place cares. They're just trying to sit down and enjoy themselves. Ow. Well, turn this car around.
I'm saying, I don't know anything that she uses basil other than pesto, spag bol.
It's not.
Chili.
It's not. I never put it in a spag bowl or a chili.
What do you use it for then? Come on.
I don't know.
If you know that you don't use it for them, then what do you use it for? I want to know, because I only thought basil goes in spag bowl.
Can someone give me some gaffer tape?
Yeah, I'm interested. You're the chef. What
Does
does
it smell like
basil?
rehypnol to you?
I'm out of tissue. I don't care.
Well, oh mate, I want to know. Like, I want to know.
Google it.
What does basil get used for? Other than spag bowl and pesto.
Right, okay. Basil is used in spag bowl and pesto. We've established this. Now everybody should.
And we do a spag bowl without it. It's proper Italian.
It's not.
It is. Why do you
fucking
think
not.
basil and pesto is Italian and spaghetti?
It's not. Trust me.
You're supposed to be the chef. I'm worried.
No,
right now.
fucking hell. I'm off. I don't care. I don't want to talk about
I'm worried right now, though.
Quiet.
We're supposed to have a chef. Like, come on.
If the day off, I don't give a shit what ingredients or what I know what I do when I walk in there. But basil don't go fucking spaghetti bolognese.
That's what it's made for.
It's not.
Oh my
It's
god.
fucking parsley.
So you sit and they're like,
No, it's fucking basil.
It's not. It's
Swearing.
parsley.
It's basil.
stop swearing.
Full.
Oh my god. I'm quite young. I'm a trainee chef. I'm a trainee chef. I know what they use in spaghetti bolognese.
I'm quite young.
Bolognese sauce.
Listen to yourself. Think about that sentence. I'm a trainee chef. I think I know what goes in.
But I'm a
Bolognese.
qualified chef and I know what goes in.
I used
It's
to
fucking
make
parsley,
it.
not basil.
Right, I'll put money.
I'll put your fucking
Money.
I'll put your fucking quid on it.
Let's do 50 quid, yeah?
I'll tell you what. Who's
Friendly 50 quid.
I got 1,000.
50 quid.
I'll tell you what. I can't Google it right now.
Basil. Basil.
No,
That's the only
going.
reason you bought it.
Into it. No, it's not.
I'm so confident right now. 50 quid, mate. Have you got 50 quid on you?
No.
Sunday.
I told you.
Sunday.
Don't do it.
Sunday.
Don't do it.
No, mate.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Sunday.
Don't do it.
I'm 100%. Basil goes in spag bol. Of course it does. I used to pick it for fucking hours and then
Stop
Well,
swearing.
that's your fault. for
and then
picking
blitz
it.
it after.
It's like, I don't quite understand it. It's like you cannot string together 3 sentences without swearing at least 10 times.
Not me. Basil in spag bol.
Look, I don't care.
Right. All I'm going to do is
You don't go through it, will you?
I want to type into Google traditional spag bol recipe. And basil will be in there, parsley won't. Parsley won't be in there.
I can't even bother in it.
I can't wait to do it. I can't wait to do it.
Right. Let's move on to a better topic. When are you not going to shut up?